You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city in Russia, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from Russia as well, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. For reference, in Russian it is said as Irkutsk, Irkutsk. Therefore in English it is to be pronounced as Irkutsk, Irkutsk, from Russian Irkutsk. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.